Okay, here. Okay, what do you squeeze his hands? Squeeze his hands.
Let's get up and bounce, bounce, bounce.
Can you come squeeze his hand? Come squeeze his hand.
I said close it.
Come squeeze his hand. Squeeze his hand.
There we go. Now you can squeeze.
Do it. You can do it.
Now you can squeeze it. He's
Come
not
on.
going to move anymore.
He's done. Till you squeeze his hand. Squeeze his paw.
On your tailor, on your feet, let's get up and bounce to the beat.
Let's get up and bounce.
And do much of it.
Yeah. Now you're bouncing. Just like Tigger.
Just like ticket. Red. Jump.
Jump, jump, jump.
Jump, 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 jump.
Okay.
Woo!
Oh boy, it's already fun.
Okay, ticket. We will bounce.
We will bounce with you.
Let's bounce some more.
Let's bounce some more.
Let's bounce some more,
Bounce
ticket.
some more.
You gotta squeeze his paw.
Wait, he's going to sit down.
Let's go. Okay, now. Let's go. Oh.
Boink, boink, boink.
Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, 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 boing.
Boink, boink,
Boing, boing, boing.
Let's bounce some more.
Yeah. Ticket.
Let's bounce some more.
Yeah. Yeah, ticket.
Easy ahead. Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now. Whew. You want to push his hand again?
Hey there, pal. Let's get up and bounce.
Let's get up and bounce.
Let's go. It's too loud.
It's too loud.
It's too loud, ticket.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy,
Bouncy,
bouncy,
bouncy.